Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best outlet spacers is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly useful gadgets for any home or office, especially when you're dealing with bulky plugs that refuse to cooperate with your existing wall outlets. Imagine a world where you can finally plug in your phone charger, your laptop, and your lamp all at the same time without any awkward angling or blocked sockets, transforming cluttered spaces into functional power hubs. This simple yet ingenious device offers a surprisingly elegant solution to a common household frustration, ensuring that every outlet becomes more versatile and accessible than you ever thought possible. Number 5. TESSAN 7-in-1 Multi-Plug Wall Outlet Extender. Tired of limited outlets? This device transforms one socket into 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing you to charge 7 devices simultaneously. It's perfect for any indoor space. It features 2 USB-A ports delivering 2.4A and a USB-C port with 3A. These ports intelligently detect your devices to provide the fastest possible charge, offering flexible charging for all your gadgets. With a maximum power of 1875 W, this surge protector safeguards your valuable electronics from power surges and spikes. Enjoy a safe and reliable charging experience for all your connected equipment. Its compact design plugs into the top outlet without blocking the one below. Create a convenient charging station in your bedroom, kitchen, or any room with limited sockets. Designed with 3 sides and ample spacing between the AC outlets, it easily fits 4 bulky plugs without obstruction. This makes it ideal for use in tight spaces like bathrooms and kitchens. What we like. This is a fantastic option if you need to charge many devices at once. It offers a wide variety of ports, including USB-A and USB-C, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a way to consolidate your charging needs and protect your electronics from power surges, this is the one for you. What people say. They hold lots of cords, allow for night lights and the cat's water fountains to be plugged in. They also work well for cruises, allowing for phones, BiPAPs, and other things to be charged simultaneously. This is really a functional device. I was able to connect 2 USB cables to charge my iPhone, my Apple TV controller, and my iPad. I was also able to connect a mini plug energizer light, and my computer, not all at the same time, of course. Electrical flow was perfect, no hot wires. Works great and is shallow so I can open the cabinet right in front of the plug. Number 4. SPACERR Electrical Outlet Box Extender Kit. Tired of outlets that are sunken or not quite aligned? Our kit provides the simplest solution to achieve a neat and tidy finish every time. Get your receptacles flush against the wall with ease. This kit includes long screws designed to accommodate various outlet depths. Simply slide a screw through the spacer and adjust to your desired depth for a perfect fit. Longer screws are available if needed. The included spacers are non-conductive and can be easily cut to any length required. Just measure and fit them into the recess for a secure and safe installation. Whether you're working with granite, wood, marble, tile, backsplash, or drywall, these extenders are designed for a perfect fit. They are the ideal solution for any surface. We stand behind our product and are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, please reach out to us. We pride ourselves on excellent customer service. What we like. If your outlets are looking a bit wonky or sunken, this kit is your go-to solution. The long screws allow for precise depth adjustment, ensuring a flush and neat finish. Choose this if you prioritize a clean, professional look for your electrical fixtures. What people say. Works as described. I had more of a gap above and below the outlet after installing some tongue and groove than I'd like, so this helped fix that. The sleeves are bigger, thicker than I anticipated and softer or more rubbery than I expected. This was a good thing. They give quite a bit when you add tension as you screw the outlet in. This caused the outlet to be more sturdy, which made for a good hold when I installed the cover. The outlet sits flush and, as mentioned, feels sturdy. These outlet spacers were exactly what I needed for a quick and clean solution during a wall plate replacement. They're super easy to use and made it much easier to align the outlets flush with the drywall after tiling. The variety of sizes included was perfect, and they stack well if you need extra depth. Solid quality, affordable, and does exactly what it's supposed to. Item worked beautifully to secure and extend outlet forward. Was able to cut pieces easily to just the right width for each end. Since you are only placing spacer at screw site, it was able to easily fit where the rigid box type spacer would not fit without more extensive work. Number 3. 48-piece electrical outlet extender kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to fix uneven or sunken electrical outlets. It includes both extenders and extra long screws for a perfect fit every time. Our specially designed outlet tools, made from durable rubber, make alignment simple. They can be easily cut to your desired length, ensuring a flush finish with any wall surface. Included are 24 extra long screws, perfect for accommodating various depths and ensuring a secure mounting. They easily slide through the outlet tools for a quick and stable installation. Get the job done quickly and safely with our easy-to-follow installation process. Simply measure, cut, and screw for a professional finish that saves you time and effort. Ideal for a wide range of materials including tile, marble, drywall, and more. This kit provides the stability needed to secure misaligned outlets and switches on any wall. The outlet tools are crafted from non-conductive rubber, offering safety and durability. Their compressibility ensures a strong and stable repair, even in challenging installations. What we like. This kit provides a generous amount of spacers and extra long screws, perfect for tackling multiple outlets or those with deeper recesses. Its easy to cut spacers and simple installation make it ideal for DIYers who want a quick and effective fix for misaligned outlets. What people say. When it first arrived, I was dismayed that they were soft and flexible. I did not think that the outlets would be stable. I cut one of these just a tad longer than the depth of the new backsplash and installed it with the included longer screws. Once the outlet was tightened down, there was no movement at all. Pushing plugs in and pulling them out, the outlets are as stable as when they were tightened down to the actual box. These worked perfect for my wood plank wall I built. Not exactly what I thought I was getting, but still easy to use and worked well. These are also very versatile as the wood isn't perfectly spaced or exact thickness, so they have good adaptability. Having the rubber behind the outlet gives a solid, compressive, mounting point that provides a secure feel when plugging things into an outlet. Works great. Number 2. RonJea electrical box outlet spacers. You'll receive 48 outlet spacers, enough for all your home switches and outlets. This economical choice ensures you won't run out when you need them. These spacers feature a unique twist-apart design, allowing you to easily stack them to any desired thickness without tools. They can be adjusted for a perfect fit. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove your outlet, stack the spacers to the right thickness, place them behind the screw, and tighten. It's a convenient and eco-friendly solution. Over time, outlets can become loose or sink. These spacers effectively prevent and repair these issues, ensuring your outlets remain stable and level. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you have any questions or concerns, our dedicated after-sales team is ready to assist you. What we like. For those who need a simple, tool-free solution to stabilize loose or sinking outlets, this is an excellent choice. The unique twist-apart and stackable design allows for easy customization of thickness. If you prefer a user-friendly method to keep your outlet secure and level, you'll love this. What people say. These worked great. I changed out several outlets and switches and needed them on quite a few. Those deep boxes make for sunken receptacles or loose ones. This is a great remedy. These things work exactly how you want them to. They're super easy to stack, cut, or mix depending on how much you need to bring the outlet forward. No tools, no stress, just slide them onto the screws and tighten everything back down. The material feels solid, not flimsy, and they don't crumble when you stack 3 to 4 at a time. Once installed, the outlet sits perfectly flush with the wall plate, no wobbling or movement. Big difference in how clean and finished the outlet looks. These worked perfectly for several outlets I had where the junction box was a little too far back. You can fit 2 screws through each piece, which is helpful for both the outlet and covers. Very durable too, they're a little rubbery, which helps them be flexible. Number 1. Swpeet 150 PCS Nylon Round Spacer Standoff Screw Nut Assortment Kit. Experience the strength and lightness of our insulated nylon material. These components are perfect for applications where weight reduction or non-conductivity is essential, like isolating PCBs or working with carbon fibers. This kit offers a wide range of plastic round spacer sizes, from 3mm to 25mm in length. With various diameters and included nuts and screws, they ensure secure and gentle mounting for most modules. Everything is neatly packed in a durable plastic box. A helpful diagram with labels makes it easy to identify and access each size, ensuring you always know what you need. Rest assured, these components are RoHS compliant and meet UL 94v2 flammability standards. They are designed for safe and reliable use in your projects. You'll receive 150 nylon round spacers in 10 different sizes, with 15 pieces of each. This generous quantity ensures you have plenty to meet all your daily project requirements. What we like. This kit is ideal for electronics projects or applications where non-conductivity and insulation are crucial. With a wide array of sizes and included hardware, it offers great flexibility for prototyping and mounting PCBs. If you're working on electronic projects and need reliable, insulated standoffs, this assortment is perfect. What people say. We use it to space out outlets in older homes where the outlet box and dry wall are uneven. It works perfect, no need to spend time cutting shims anymore, good variety of sizes. I used this after installing a tile backsplash and could not use a box extender. The outlets fit perfectly with the added length needed to sit above the tile. Very functional. Needed a space between a wall and a hanging board. This did the trick. Also used for other purposes. Very handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.